matter how rough it gets, no matter how rough it gets, no matter how hard it gets, don't come off the course. Don't come off the course. Don't don't lose sight of what made you start in the first place. Don't lose sight of what you want to achieve. Don't lose sight of all the blessings that you want to bestow upon others. Don't lose sight in the person that you want to be. So no matter how hard it gets, no matter how rough it gets, don't come off the course. Don't lose sight. Don't lose focus in towards the man you want to be. And it's easier, always easier said than done. But if you just do it, if you just always discipline yourself to take that step, discipline yourself to take one step, it'll be as no matter how hard it gets, no matter how much time you've been knocked down, it'll be a testament that you can always take one more step forward. That you can just always keep going. The world is yours, and I know you heard that before. And it's not just a saying to get you hyped up. The world literally is yours. You have the world in your palm of your hand. And what is the world? The world is not this big planet. The world is your perception, your perspective, your view on your world. You have the world in your hands, and the world is your world. And if you have your world in your hands, you can shape it, rewrite it, go around it, form it into where you want, how you want it to be. So, therefore, choose to stay positive, choose to see the light, choose to see the sun after the rain, most definitely, and just choose to always just keep going. Easier said than done, but I guarantee you that when it's done, you realize that is the easier part. It's the right part. It's the part that led you to your success. So, don't lose sight of the man that you want to be.